Hello guys, welcome to this channel. This channel is about reviews of hotels. So today we are watching a hotel in Menorca. It's a 4 stars option. It's a FERGUS Club Carema Splash. So it's a great choice for your summer and if you have a big family and kids, okay? So in booking have a good classify, so good, more 700 800 reviews, location 8.2, staff 8.5, comfort 7.7, so very good classify. This is not a hotel, it's like apartments, okay? Have 2 swimming pools and 2 restaurants, okay? So the standard price is a studio and have the price of 104 euros. So let's see the studio. So this is an entire studio with air conditioned, private bedroom, flat screen TV. Only have 3 pictures. But say in the comments if you like this hotel, this studio. If you stay, this section in booking is very important, this map, because this map have other options in Menorca, okay? So you see this is FERGUS Club Carema Splash with the price 104 euros, and you have other options, other hotels with the price. For the days you choose, okay? So in the left side you see the top attraction and the distance of this hotel. So it's this map in the right side in the booking, okay? So let's see the pictures of this hotel. Have a big playground for kids. This is pictures of superior 1-bedroom apartments with side sea view. My apology for my if I speak any mistake. So Portuguese is my native language, not English. So your feedback is very important for me. Okay, don't forget to subscribe also this channel. So this is an extra view of the apartments, more pictures of a playground. You see this hotel is a beachfront, so for kids is a great choice. You have 141 pictures, is a lot of pictures. This is a dining area, very clean. In the right side you see the good reviews. Second year in a row at Carema with the family, already thinking about next year's. Nice pool, by far the best option for traveling with kids, and we do travel a lot. We'll be back soon, so it's a good review. The territory of the hotel is beautiful and green, the beach is perfect, staff is friendly. Other review, spacious, clean, well equipped, so very nice. Have mini golf. This is a beach, okay? Beachfront, this hotel. So too many activities for you make and your kids. When you make your reserve, make with time, okay? Because the price is increased, especially in summer, June, July, August, September, okay? So let's see the street view of this hotel. So hotel is here, and this is the route for the hotel. You see beach is down, and this is FERGUS. So this is the entrance of this hotel apartments. Okay, and this is the view. More guests. Yeah. So this is a review of today of FERGUS Club Carema Splash. I hope you like this review. Don't forget to subscribe this channel for more reviews. I'm waiting you for my next video. Okay, and thank you. See you.